As you can see, we have already reached to KTM showroom because today is the delivery of my new bike Husqvarna Vitpillion 250, and I've also checked that truck has also arrived, so let's get the bike ready. Husqvarna Vitpillion 250. It does mean Riders of the White Arrow. I didn't know that there's a weight on this bike. Took over like 1 month after my purchase to get hands on this bike. I received mine on the 21st January, but worth the wait though. Loving it so far because Vitpillion is going to be a great little street bike because they look pretty cool too. Looking forward to make this bike into a real character. Well guys, this is a beautiful creation. After having a test ride, I have come to the point where I can comfortably say that I love everything about this bike. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है इस बाइक के बारे में. So how do you describe to them? How do you describe the bike actually? Sometimes the question is definitely about the brand, but sometimes it's about the style too. It's obviously, you can say that, a modern interpretation of a cafe racer, but sometimes you can just say naked bike too. It's kind of a modern cafe racer which is certainly is lightweight, real quick, lots of fun, and how it looks. History, इसके बारे में मुझे जहाँ तक पता है, what I believe, KTM acquired Husqvarna because BMW wanted to get rid of it. It was fairly priced, and Husqvarna, like KTM, have a good name in off-road racing. Some synergy is expected. Husqvarna never had a history of street bikes, neither does KTM. They were always associated with dirt and mud, but the Super Dukes led KTM to a new market, real street fighters. But a street bike from KTM would have been a bit vague, and competition is high in countries like Japan, Italy, German. Building the SWAT billion and the WIT billion was easy because all based on KTM successful models, same mechanics, different optics, and a surcharge of 20% for a great history of Husqvarna. Have to admit the brand Husqvarna is very strong within motorbikes like Trump or Indian. I'm proud of riding a Husky, although worldwide the name is now more narrow to movers than the bikes. These are the inspection team and mechanics. They are fixing the accessories which came along with the bike. After the bike is ready, they will be doing a test ride and documentation for the bike will be done. As you can see at the right side, it's Husqvarna Spark Pillion, which will also be delivered today. Let's talk about the height of this bike. I'm pretty tall, but I can tell you that flat footing is overrated. I am tall enough, but I never put both feet down. I put my left foot down at stoplights and keep my right toe on the brake, so I'm slightly lean left. The width pillion seat height is 835 mm. I am 5'10". I will definitely do some changes like tail TD, Leo Wins exhaust, frame sliders, radiator guard, bar and mirrors, so you can check out after some day. Of course, after doing some changes, I will put on another video, so please subscribe to my channel.